So we ran the car, had a couple issues. There'll be another video that connects to that. Had no issues necessarily with the Pro Commander E85 setup, but had a fuel sensor pressure issue. That would just happen to be a coincidence, but I'll link that video so you can see that. But right there we are, we're connected, Pro Commanders, and tucked away nice and neat, nice and safe in there. So now what we're going to do is put everything back together and start up the car again and connect with the Bluetooth and see what level of ethanol is in the current tank. There's about a quarter tank in the car right now, and I buy pure gas. Only get 91 octane around here in pure gas, so we'll see if it's really pure. So there we have it, everything buttoned up. It hides away pretty decently. Couple black zip ties to bring the harness across to the front. The only thing that I think would be cooler is, you know, you have to run the ground around the back, and to ground out with the ECU, it'd be cool if you could run the harness around the back and come down here, and then you wouldn't have anything in the front. You know, just a personal preference. I'll probably send it over to Advanced Fuel Dynamics just to give them my opinion on that, but I think we're good to go. So we're going to start it up, see what happens. Fired right up, running just like it did before the Commanders were installed, but all the new harness was installed. They ask you to, you know, put your harness together, plug everything up except the Commanders, run the car, make sure it runs fine, and then shut the car off, connect the Commanders, and now we'll grab the app and see if what the Commanders are seeing. So I pulled out of my shop and got on the highway, reset the miles per gallon. Right now, you know, doing about 75, 77 in 7th gear, tacking, you know, 2800, and I've never seen this display show 19 miles to the gallon. So I don't know if this Commander is making the fuel burn better, if it's disrupting the way it manages the fuel, I don't know. But I mean, I'm on it, and it's staying right in the 18.9 range. So anyway, still showing 0 ethanol, even though it's been pulling from the tank now. I got a quarter tank, so we're gonna go fill it up with the E85, and that'll mix with the 91 octane. We'll see what the app says. So it's about a 6-mile ride, you know, some not highway, some highway, 18.3 miles per gallon. We'll see what happens here. We'll fill up that stuff. So $1.89 versus $2.80 for the 91 octane that I have been fueling up with. As they say, here goes nothing. First time putting E85 in the M5. Okay, so we're at the on cue here, E85. About 3/4 of a tank, So 13.7 gallons went in, cost 26 bucks. That would have been at least a $40 fill up previously. This is a small tank, which kind of is a drag. But here goes the first start on E85. Fires right up. Let's connect the commander and see what it starts telling us about this fuel. So we're going to start driving, and when it starts coming up, I'll start recording again. But it's supposed to, as it pulls through and senses it, we'll see. So this is pretty cool. It's starting to detect the E85 now, and it's going to start making its adjustments. So it's at 26, 27, you know, it's climbing. So this is that sensor that you saw that was installed in between the hard fuel line and the flexible line that goes to the driver's side fuel rail. Now remember, I had, if I put, you know, 13 gallons in, there was roughly probably 4 or 5 gallons of 91 octane in there. So the pumps and on-Q say that they guarantee the E85 to be 70% or greater. So I'm imagining with that mix in there, it's probably, I don't know, let's take a guess, maybe around 62 or 63%. Now gas mileage has already way dropped down to 16, like 3 miles per gallon, but at almost $1.03 or $1.04 less per gallon. And if this truly produces the additional, you know, 20, 25 wheel horsepower, I won't know until we dyno. Just wanted to say thank you so much for your patience. It's been a real drag, you know, losing most of our raw content on a hard drive. The great news is we were able to recover almost all of it. So look forward to a heck of a lot more videos coming up on the E60 M5 and many others. Thanks for watching.